Ayan, dahil viral to ngayon sa mga social media, gagawin din natin to. We have frozen melon. It's cold, anak. It is frozen.
Take.
Ang gagawin natin ay lalagyan natin sila ng gatas. No, let me do it, anak. Okay? Yeah, we will do ice cream. Would you like to try that?
Yeah.
Okay, nilagyan nila ng fresh milk. And, iyan natin. Oh, ang lamig.
Me.
Yeah, malamig, anak. It's very cold. Di ko alam kung kakayanin ko. Yeah, wait na.
Apple.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
Ate will give you another spoon. Ate, can you get another spoon for Ayana? Ang lamig pala nito. Frozen nga eh. So, ay, ang lamig. Di ko kaya ang lamig. Yes,
Me.
anak.
Me.
Yeah, mix. Yeah, Uy, yung aking anak. Gusto niya rin makisabay.
Apple.
You want to help me?
Yeah, spoon.
Okay, you got spoon. Okay. Oh, anak, it's cold, anak.
Okay.
See, it's cold. Ang lamig ng kamay ko. No, not yet. It's not ready yet. Can I do it? And then later, I will give you, okay? Mapapadali yung buhay natin, anak. I'll do it, nak. I'll do it. Okay, parang ang gulo naman tong ano na ito, anak. Anak, dapat pala kanina ko pala to. Nung tulog ka nung ginawa ko to, anak, kasi parang maguguluhan tayo. Can you just sit down there and look at me?
Mom, ready.
Yeah. Uy, ang lamig. Ang lamig, anak. Pero nangyayari, anak, I'll do it, nak. I'll do it, please. I will let you try this one, anak. Yeah, everybody can taste it.
Dash.
Yeah, you wanna taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, I will give you.
Yeah.
Malamig lang talaga sa ano. Oh, medyo na ano na siya, nagkaka-form na siya ng ice cream. Okay. Ay, tumatalsik na. Okay. Ingay mo naman, nak. Okay, mukhang ano na. Yes, anak. Oh, look at this now. Na ano na siya, na matigas na yung kanyang milk.
Ice cream?
It's ice cream, this one? Melon ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Parang naglalaway ako. Parang gusto ko ng ano, ng malamig sa dila ko. Okay, that looks good.
Yum yum.
Nam na? Is it yummy? Okay, show on the video. Let's see. Ice cream. Yum nam. Oh, say hi everybody. Oh, nagkalat ka na dyan sa lamisa, anak. Ayan na, that's milk. Okay. You first, you try. Is it good?
Good.
Good? Oh, do you like it? Oh, good?
Good.
Good. How about mommy dear? Let her taste it.
Dash.
Yeah, mommy dear. Grandma. Go, grandma. Show grandma.
Okay.
Wait, may. Sa totoo lang, di ko gusto yung lasa ng ano ng melon. Pero lasang melon siya. No. It's okay, anak. Sa totoo lang, melon lang naman talaga. Wala namang exciting dito sa lasa na ito. Bakit sila pag makapag-video, akala mo naman sarap na sarap? Ay. Basher. Wala naman talaga exciting. Melon lang. Lasang melon lang.
Dash.
Hindi ko talaga anak gusto yung melon, anak. Kahit talaga anong gawin, anak, hindi talaga masarap. Siguro try ko yung ano, yung watermelon. Hindi, yung melon. Let grandma taste it.
Dash.
Yeah. Ma'am, try this. Melon. No, it's not really sweet.
Very cold.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Get more, nak. Let's make more for grandma.
Dash.
Yeah. Okay, move there. Move. Let's get some bowl. Wait.
Both?
Yeah.